It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So today I'm participating in a thrift flip collaboration with the Fab Five. You know who they are. Malinda with I Be Dolled, Philicia, BOK Media Life, Kay with At Home with Kay. She's also the host for this collaboration, as well as Donna, the Creole Crafter. Guys, just sit back and watch me take these duds and turn them into studs. You get it? Duds, studs. You all know I have to have my little lame jokes. But anyway, moving right along. And so I basically took these bowls that I purchased for $2.49, painted them using the Waverly brand chalk paint and ink. Had an idea to give the bottom portions of these bowls a different color just to offset the black that's in there and give this a little more character. I really liked the way this turned out. However, I should have used a brighter orange paint, and I think a lighter or even maybe a darker color but brighter, bolder color orange. I think I should have used a different type of orange. What you guys think? But that turned out cute, and I can't wait for you to see it in the reveal. Now with this second one, I'm kind of doing the same thing as I did with the first. However, in my head, I be coming up with stuff, guys, just maybe, too far. And maybe this one was a little too far because I decided to take some of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color plaster and basically just dab it using a sponger all the way around the top portion of the bowl. But that was after I had, wanted to use the same process as I did with the first bowl and painted that bottom portion in that solid plaster color. But I didn't like it, guys, so I said, no, we're going to enhance this a little bit. And that's exactly what I did when I thought I did when I was dabbing it. You gotta let me know what you think. Would you have just left these bowls just in the black? I can always change it, y'all. It's just paint. And so this is like the prelude to the second flip. And basically I'm taking these candle holders, and they are very sturdy, that I purchased from the Guardian Angel thrift store for $4.49 and giving them a facelift. Now what I didn't realize was that my daughter I didn't prep these. Let me take ownership. I didn't prep these for her before she started spray painting these. But nevertheless, I knew that I was going for the black color, and I said, okay, well, let's just go ahead and use that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink, because I had ran out of the Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint. So this worked out amazing, and these candle holders look amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And guys, I will give you more information about the Fab Five as we go along in this video. So let's speak about Malinda. Malinda is I Be Dolled. We also call her the home decor styling queen. She is also the Dollar General queen, because if you want a good deal, you need to be checking out Malinda. And not only that, if you want versatility in what you're watching on YouTube, check out Malinda. I will always love Malinda. She was one of the first crafters to support me and my channel. I will forever be grateful to her. She has been nothing but supportive and encouraging along this crafting journey. So make sure you all head on over to I Be Dolled and you know, just gives a thumbs up to Malinda to let her know that Joy sent you and that she said she appreciates her. Can you do that for me? So with this, because it was already painted or spray painted, I had to like dab the paint on at first because the surface was still very slick. And so once I dabbed the paint and allowed it to dry, I was able then to just you know, paint in wider rows all the way around the piece. And guys, I cannot wait for you to see the outcome of these candle holders. I am so serious. They're cute, guys. They're very cute. But while you wait on that in the reveal, let's talk about my girl, my Fab 56 sis, Donna, the Creole crafter, the farmhouse queen, the 1K subscriber reach. Sis, congratulations, Donna. Everyone give Donna a round of applause. She has been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and I am so happy that she was finally able to reach that 1K subscriber mark. And Donna, we are headed to 2,500 by the end of the year. So I know with your perseverance and with your talent, I mean, come on, y'all. The Creole crafter, she's the distressing queen. Oh my gosh, a farmhouse. I mean, if you want to know how to really get into that whole farmhouse market or that decor area, check out Donna, the Creole crafter. And so as you can see, I am just blow drying these candle holders, and I just cannot stress it enough. They turned out amazing. So guys, you know that I can't leave out my crafting bestie at all. My crafting bestie, Philicia, with at BOK Media Life. Guys, Philicia is so supportive of all of us. I'm going to say she's extremely supportive. She's extra supportive of me because, you know, I was out. I had surgery. I'm 3 weeks post-op tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, August 27th. And I truly believe that I'm still in the algorithm because of Philicia with BOK Media Life. She made sure that she shared my videos. But besides me, Philicia is just so freaking talented. Man, she's talented. We call her the lamp queen, but she is so much more than a person that makes lamps. Philicia also cooks on her channel, create beautiful home decor on her channel. I mean, it's so much that I can say, but you've got to go check her out for yourself so you will see what I'm talking about. At BOK Media Life, check all of my sisters out. Guys, please make sure you head on over to the host channel, Kay with At Home with Kay. You will not be disappointed. Kay is an amazing crafter. And not only that, you talking about somebody who can take clay and turn them into yummy treats, then Kay is the place you want to be. In addition to just being a sweet person naturally, Kay, Kay, is also excellent at the Mackenzie Childs dupe. Check Kay out, guys, at Home with Kay. Show her some love and support and tell her Joy sent you. Guys, we are now headed into the reveal. This is not in any order. You've got to tell me what you think. I think these candle holders turned out amazing. They're cute. I styled them with some of those maple leaves that you can find at the Dollar Tree, as well as some of those candles that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And then here comes my bows. Now, they look okay. I thought I had a better clip of them, but I didn't. So it was a last minute. I about forgot about the bows, guys, in all honesty. But I wanted to throw them in here. I styled them with some of those moss balls that I created, as well as some maple leaves and other stuff. You gotta tell me what you think about that. And here are my pineapple bookends. They turned out such a high-end piece, and I styled them with the 3 books that I've written. Yes, your girl is a published author, a self-published author, and I think all of these projects for this collaboration turned out amazing. Guys, please make sure you go and support the Fab Five, Malinda at Abidald. Let's see, the host, Kay, with At Home with Kay, Philicia at BOK Media Life, and the Creole Crafter, Donna. And don't forget about yours truly. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your prayers. I'm on the mends, and I hope to be bringing you more content soon. I know that I have another collab with my crafting bestie, Philicia, on tomorrow. It is another Trash to Treasure collaboration, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. But again, please go and support all of these beautiful ladies. Make sure you let them know that Joy sent you. Make sure that you're supporting them. And guys, if you have yet to click on that subscribe button, please make sure you click the button, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. Bye.